Okay, so I want to walk you through how to log out of your Snapchat account. Really easy process here. What you need to do is obviously first start by opening up your Snapchat and you're going to hit your Bitmoji up here. Now I'm just going to grab this and put it right there so that we can hide some information. Now from the screen, you're going to hit the settings button. There it is. And then on the settings button, here, look up and back down. There we go. You're just going to scroll all the way down, all the way down. There we go. And then at the very bottom, you have a logout. You hit the logout button, and it's going to verify that you actually want to log out. You're going to hit log out, and that is it. So you have now logged out. You can push it even forward or further and remove the account from the phone, or you can log in or use another account. So that is how you're going to log out of your Snapchat account. So I hope it helps, guys. If it does, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.